Velo's exchanges closed $1.4, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo certainly has a medium-term opposition at $5 in every practical sense, most certainly further appearance how Velo's exchanges closed $4 in an unobtrusive way. Velo's MA10 in every way that really matters shows a sort of descending pattern, which generally is very critical. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in a significant manner, or so they fundamentally thought. A 9-walk 2024. In this we will walk you through Velo. Cost examination for now, or for certainly genuinely 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these oftentimes generally got clarification on pressing issues facts, what in every practical sense is by and large momentary cost expectation for Velo, actually especially is Velo a fundamentally wise interest in a by and large for the most part huge way. Velo support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. However, prior to plunging truly profound into the Velo specialized examination, let us essentially discuss the extremely current economic situations amazingly. Market investigation over the essentially last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 184%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $2 596 498 391 362, which in every practical sense truly is genuinely critical. The in every practical sense, exceptionally all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $149, 102, 264, 845 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in a by and large enormous manner, which all things considered brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134%, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially truly has seen a value reduction of 0.9% coming to $3.9 and 17.23 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $488.37, following a value change of 358% inside a similar time period, which sort of is genuinely huge. Sol, the sort of local coin of Solana, is up by 0.49 and presently exchanging at $147.19, showing how Velo's MA10 generally shows a sort of descending pattern, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Moreover, XRP came to 0.62 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.68% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions certainly demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a really descending bearing for decently extremely present moment, which generally shows that the especially complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $149, 102, 264, 845, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, an exceptionally broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which is genuinely critical, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo backing and obstruction backing in opposition certainly are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly by and large has a strength of 16.33%, which basically generally is genuinely critical. Support for the most part by and large is a level at which purchases by and large become essentially more fundamentally dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which generally is very critical. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which merchants truly become move kind of essentially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, sort of commonly further appearance how right now, a kind of by and large broad certainly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo generally is exchanging at $4 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743 and which by and that's what large shows. However, prior to plunging certainly profound into the Velo specialized investigation, fundamentally for the most part allowed us especially to discuss the especially current economic situations, or so they by and large thought. However, Velo in a real sense sort of has a value decline of 5.82% in the genuinely last 24 hours Velo. Cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week with an in every way that really matters, complete market capitalization of $5 186 353 Oz West, sort of additional appearance how similarly opposition sort of truly is a level at which dealers in a real sense become move fundamentally dynamic and outrageously prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Extremely further appearance how right now, a general kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, genuinely. In spite of mainstream thinking. Velo value investigation, Velo cost examination for Zone 9 Walk 2024 inside a very kind of day-to-day time span actually fundamentally made sense of beneath, showing how the in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume essentially for the most part remains at Tana 149, 102 at 64, 845, which by and large is very huge. We utilize kind of relative strength indexes, moving in every practical sense, normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different. Time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving pretty normal smart and dramatic moving actually commonly normal MR to dissect the future development of the Velo in a for the most part huge manner amazingly. The overall strength file RSI shows that the Velo coin generally for the most part is in oversold stage, as RSI really is at 30, or so they basically in a real sense thought. The Veloust moving commonly kind of normal combination and uniqueness MACD marker especially by and large is showing a sort of present moment for the most part sell especially essentially signal as the MACD line truly generally is moving beneath in every practical sense. Signal line which certainly implies sort of bears certainly are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting that the extremely relative strength file RSI demonstrates that the Velo coin actually for the most part is in oversold stage, as RSI for the most part really is at 30. Which explicitly in every way that really matters is genuinely huge, while Velo's Williams percent R pointer generally is at 95,932 for the 14-day time span showing an oversold condition. And truly momentary pattern reasonably inversion explicitly truly is conceivable, exhibiting that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they basically for the most part thought. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, showing how Velo support and opposition levels and so on in a quite huge manner. Velo sort of is moving in beautiful descending course as generally bears effectively for the most part take the coin beneath quick help level of $0.4 in an unobtrusive manner, which is very huge. Presently Velo ought to track down a help at $0.4, or probably the vendors could then focus on the urgent help level put at $5, which certainly is genuinely huge. Ends Velo in a real sense is currently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't really in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, suggest that the cryptographic money fundamentally in every practical sense is in an unsafe circumstance that can't generally essentially be redressed. Showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $488.37, following a value change of 358% inside a similar time period in a fundamentally significant manner, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Regardless of